Okay, this is my latest video on LED light bulbs, and this time it's not a good thing. This is one of the Utilitech bulbs that I bought, and it has blown already, so it is no longer works. It was the cheapest bulb that I bought at only $10, and it proved to be even worse value. But I figured since it doesn't work, we're going to take it apart as much as I can and see if we can't see what's inside of it. I might even try to get some closer up shots. I did get some lenses, and I got a tripod that the camera's sitting on. I might do a review of those as well, just for the fun of it. So I guess just check out my videos, see if they're there. So taking it apart, the top globe part pops off pretty easy, and you can see that we just have a bunch of screws and a bunch of LEDs, so we will see what's underneath there. And this is where we might run into problems because I think it's loose and it's still not coming. So this might be a really boring video if that's the case. I think these two wires are holding it down. Interesting. Oh, and now the whole thing comes apart. Okay, cool. Not sure how well you can see inside of there, but there's your capacitors and all of that other interesting stuff. And that might be as far as I can take it for right now. Might take something a little bit stronger than what I got with me to get all this out. But you can see that they put everything in there. So you have the LEDs, positive and negative, and then everything else. I may add to this a little bit if I can get that out, and I'll try some of my lenses and see if I can't get a closer look at that. But for now, so you don't have to just sit there and watch me struggle with this, I'll call this video done.